go back to a place we've always meant to be from, where the memories we cling to not faded in the review of time, where the mountains are the meaning of the lives we're leading on high, where the culling of a solitude is born within the endless views we find. Simple songs of the sand ones,
I'll take them with me,
even when my time is done.
hold them in me.
I was always meant to be from here, but the winds they sometimes steered me clear away, with the roads of life that twisted through the long and winding vestige within. The longer that I lingered, the more the wife's dilemmas disappeared, and I found the word belonging to mean more than the longing ever did. Some songs of the sand ones,
Take them with me,
even when my time is done.
hold them in me.
Some songs of the sand ones,
Buried in me,
but they too could pass.